What are you doing?
So remember all those boxes we got?
Yeah.
So I was on TikTok. And I saw this thing where you make holes like a whack-a-mole and you stick a hot dog in it for the dogs, and I just thought it would be cute.
Is that why they're dressed?
Maybe. You want to join?
Yeah.
Okay. So for anyone who doesn't know these two goofballs, this one is Kuzco. Kuzco? Good boy. Who's so good? Who's so good? And that one is Giselle. She is a Shihtzu and is 1.5. He is a purebred Shihtzu and he is 5. Okay, so I took an old dish sponge. I cut it in half. And this is the massacre and this is the monstrosity. It's supposed to be a dog paw. It looks more like a dinosaur foot. So this is the plain box. We have some gray and some blue and red. We're gonna do it on the carpet because we're adults and we know how not to make it messy.
Oh, you jinxed us.
Now I've jinxed us, yeah. A ribbon, some star stickers, Pluto, and oh, this is cute. So excited, aren't you guys?
You think it's gonna look good?
I got the pink knife because I'm a girl. How big should the holes be?
Just big enough for the hot dog.
Okay. Oh god, this is not turning out well. So this is a little bit bigger than a hot dog hole.
Yeah, it is.
Boop.
Nice. First hole done.
Yes.
It's so intricate.
I tried so hard to do a Disney D.
It's okay, it looks good enough.
Ah.
You got a little tiny space to put the DOG.
Hot dog, your problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Looks cute. Plan 2. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Now I'm recording. That's what happened.
This is so bad. I don't know what happened.
It's coming together.
It looks great.
Yeah, it does.
It's not like we have kids that we have to use these stickers on. It's a rainbow. Because that's just how gay we are.
You excited, Giselle?
Heck yeah, I'm excited. I guess I'm excited. Here it is. The finished product.
It looks so cute.
It really does. This turned out so much better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
I was super excited to see if the dogs even like play with us. Let's go get some hot dogs.
Okay.
The TikTok videos used carrots, but we used hot dogs because we wanted hot dogs ourselves. So these are like chicken and turkey hot dogs, so they're a lot healthier. Giselle, look! Look, Giselle, look! Not in my hand.
Giselle.
Giselle. Oh, she's scared of the box.
Bring Kuzco out. Look, he's crying. He's like, let me at it.
Kuzco. He went right for it. Oh my god. Oh no! Buddy, no! No! No, Kuzco! No! Buddy!
I guess we're doing one each.
Yeah, it's your turn. Do you know how it works now? I know, it's so tasty. Giselle, go get it. Wow, he's really upset. He's so excited. He's like, yeah! Oh my god, no! No! Kuzco, no! Not again! Did you just swallow that whole?
Swallowed it like a pelican. He was like, oh. That's it, Pepita. You took the whole thing from my mouth. Like, I have hot dog residue under my nail from where I tried to hold it.
Oh my god, this is the best idea ever. Okay, so even though we have 2 carrots left, he's eating them way too easily, so...
We have 2 hot dogs left.
Oh yeah, we have 2 hot dogs left, so we're bringing out a carrot instead. Let me let her...
Go get it. Giselle. Oh look, this is as far out as I can put it. Come on. Come on, come on.
This looks like that one clam. Why are you so scared of the box?
He's so strong.
Oh, what a cutie. What's up, Doc?
You want the whole carrot?
Oh!
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, I think we should keep it.
Yeah, I think we should too.
Okay, well, that was way more fun than I think we thought it would be.
That was totally fun. And it cost $0.
Exactly. So, if you guys are looking for something to do during quarantine with the family, that's perfect.
You could do it with kids too. You could stick a Twizzler out and then have the kid bite it.
Oh my god, that'd be so funny. And then like occasionally it's like something healthy, like a carrot comes out and
A
they're
celery.
like, oh, that's
Those
so
are bad.
That's so messed up. So yeah, lesson learned is don't do hot dogs because then the dogs take it way too easily.
The carrot was good.
We still have 2 more hot dogs. Do you want hot dogs with macaroni and cheese tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Well, this has been a load of fun. If you guys do this, hit us up on Instagram. We'd love to see your little contraption that you put together for either your dogs or cats or whatever, or kids. Thanks so much for joining us today. And as always, stay safe, stay happy, most importantly, stay you. We'll see you guys again next time. And until then, we hope you have a magically wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.